What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI Visa Signature Credit Card. Pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba magkaroon ng BPI Visa Signature Credit Card. At the same time, let's talk about its benefits and its annual fees, of course. Kasi sure na may annual fee ito. At the same time, yung fees and charges. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys, yung application requirements. Syempre, it's a high-tier kind of credit card ni BPI. So, meron talaga siyang certain qualifications in order for you to get being approved sa inyong application. Pero alam mo ba, kahit hindi ka mag-apply, pwede kang magkaroon ng ganitong credit card kasi minsan ino-offer ito ni BPI sa mga qualified clients nila. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So unang-una guys, paano nga ba magkaroon ng BPI Visa Signature Credit Card? So minsan kasi guys, alam nyo ba na ito ay binibigay lamang ni BPI sa mga preferred client nila. Pag sinabing preferred client guys, ibig sabihin may pangalan sa kanila, which means meron kayong savings account na may lamang malaki, kumbaga. To be exact, 1 million above yung mga ino-offera ni BPI ng ganitong credit card. Yes, kaya naman kung yung isang tao ay isang BPI Visa Signature Credit Card holder, so expect nyo na may million sila sa BPI. Not just that, of course, dalawang klase kasi, kung meron kayong credit card sa kanila na may credit limit which is 300,000 pataas, ino-offeran ka rin nila na i-upgrade ito into BPI Visa Signature Credit Card. Ganun lang naman siya. Una, kung may 1 million savings kayo sa kanila at saka kung may credit card kayong 300,000 above yung limit or credit limit. Then ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung perks and benefits ni BPI Visa Signature Credit Card. So as you can see guys, ayan, BPI Signature Card, the card that fits your signature lifestyle. Experience the best of what the world has to offer. Then benefits, low forex conversion fee at just 1.85%. Save while you shop abroad. So ibig sabihin guys, kapag ginamit mo itong credit card na to abroad, 1.85% yung forex conversion fee. Signature deals up to 50% off. Enjoy great deals on dining, hotels, resorts, fitness studios, and wellness centers all year around. So kasi minsan guys, alam nyo ba yung mga ganitong klase na credit card, meron silang ino-offer na 50% off sa mga restaurant, hotels, mga pag nag-vacation kayo. Ganon yung kinagandahan kapag mataas yung tier ng credit card na meron kayo sa kanila. Syempre, mataas din yung annual fee of course. Expect nyo yan. Earn 2 BPI rewards points for every 20 pesos spent and use points to redeem miles, shopping credits, or gift certificates from premium merchants. So, ano nga ibig sabihin? Sa bawat gastos nyo guys, 20 pesos, 2 points agad siya. Din yung points na yun is pwede nyo magamit or i-redeem as miles. Pag sinabing miles, pwedeng gamiting plane tickets, ganyan. So, makakapag-travel kayo ng free using your BPI's Visa Signature Credit Card points. Shopping credits, of course, then gift certificates. Alam nyo naman yun, di ba? Then, more reasons to love this card. Get cash anytime. Convert your credit limit to cash and pay it in installment up to 36 months. You can now also avail of cash advance and withdraw up to 100% of your available credit limit. So, aware lang kayo guys sa cash advance na sinasabi kasi mataas yung interest dyan, which is 3% siya. Kaya medyo nakakalubog siya sa utang. Hindi ko siya ina-advise na gamitin nyo yung feature na ito. Pero if you need it, if you badly need it, then you can use cash advance feature of this credit card. Travel insurance, of course. Book your travel using your card and get up to 20 million free travel accident and inconvenience benefits via air, land, or water. So, up to 20 million siya guys. Of course, yung kailangan yung gamitin credit cards kapag nag-book kayo ng tickets ninyo, itong credit card na to, which is yung BPI Visa Signature Credit Card. Of course, may airport lounge access, relax before your flight, and enjoy complimentary airport lounge access for you and one guest at PUG's international lounges and NAIA 3. Card membership fees incurred yearly or monthly after the first year of card ownership. Of course, alam nyo na may annual fee siya. On the first year, naka-waive. On the second year, kayo matcha-charge. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo ma-waive yung annual fee na ito guys, kailangan nyo mag-spend ng 1.2 million within a year. 1,200,000 yung kailangan yung habulin para ma-waive yung annual fee nito. So, medyo mataas siya. So ngayon guys, let's talk about its fees and charges. Unang-una is yung annual fee. Nakikita nyo dito, card type, BPI signature card. So, principal card is 5,500 yung annual fee neto guys. Of course, tulad ng ibang credit card, syempre, pwede nyo rin naman itong applyan ng supplementary credit card. Yung first supplementary card niya is naka-free for life yung annual fee. But the second to sixth supplementary card is now 2,750 a year na. So, yung first supplementary credit card lang yung free for life. Pag sinabing free for life, no annual fee for life. Sa supplementary credit card yun ha, hindi yung mother credit card or yung principal. Then ngayon, let's talk about interest rates and charges. So, types of interest and charges. Ayan. Finance charge or nominal interest rate. Effective interest rate per month is 3%. Then 2.73 sa effective interest rate per month. Cash advance finance charge or nominal interest rate is 3% sa cash advance. So, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung cash advance is may mataas siyang interest rate. Then, yung effective interest rate per month to 3.16. So, medyo mataas. Special installment plan or SIP add-on rate. So, up to 1%. Which is, ito yung maximum interest rate, 1% siya. Tapos, minsan, pag may promo, nagda-drop into lower than 1%. Then, special installment plan is IP loan service fee, 500 pesos for each balance transfer, credit to cash, and balance conversion availment above 50,000 pesos. Then, 300 naman for a balance transfer, credit to cash, balance conversion up to 50,000 and all other SIP loans variance per availment. So, lower 50,000, 300. 50,000 above, yun yung 500. Special installment plan, SIP pre-termination fee. So, kung gusto niyang tapusin yung special installment plan ninyo, nandito nakalagay is 550 pesos pre-termination fee plus 2% of the loan principal amount if installment is pre-terminated before the first billing. So, kapag yung installment nyo guys is gusto nyo na agad i-terminate, wala pa yung first billing, may 2% siya sa principal amount. So, kung magkano yung nilaw ninyo, 2% nun plus 550 pesos. If pre-termination is done after the first billing, a processing fee of 550 pesos plus applicable interest of the next monthly payment using the diminishing balance method will be charged. So, if nag-decide kayo na i-terminate siya after first billing cycle, so 550 pesos pa rin, then applicable interest of the next monthly payment using the diminishing balance. Then cash advance fee is 200 pesos flat fee per transaction. Then card replacement fee, of course, kapag nagka-problema yung credit card nyo, nawala, nagka-fraud, gusto nyo magpa-replace or na-misplace ninyo, 400 pesos. Yung BPI Visa Signature Credit Card replacement fee is 400 pesos. Express start cancellation fee. Ito siya guys, yung tinutukay dito is kapag nag-deposit kayo ng 15,000 as starter program nila, yung parang secured credit card. So kapag na-approve kayo doon, tapos gusto nyo ipa-cancel, kasi nagbago yung isip ninyo na hindi pa umabot ng 1 taon. Maliban na lang guys kung hindi nyo na-receive yung credit card na in-issue nila kasi dahil sa delivery. Kasi nakalagay dito, end card if the first issued BPI credit card enrolled under the Express Start program is canceled before the first anniversary date. Except if cancellation is due to non-delivery of such BPI credit card. So, kapag hindi pa nag 1 year, tapos pinakancel nyo, may 1,500 na cancellation fee. Then, let's talk about application requirements. Qualifications must be at least 21 years old. Minimum fixed monthly income excluding overtime, commission, or service fees should be at least. Dito nakalagay since BPI Visa Signature yung pinag-uusapan natin, 100,000 yung required monthly earnings ninyo. Then yung mga documents na kailangan yung i-provide guys, of course, completely filled out and signed application form, photocopy of at least 1 valid ID with photo, passport, voter's ID, Professional Regulation Commission or PRC, then postal ID, SSS, GSS ID, then BIR or TIN ID, driver's license, company ID issued by private entity or institutions registered with the supervised of the regulated by the BSP, SEC or IC. Proof of income, of course, kailangan yung proof of income kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card kasi hindi naman kayo approve kapag wala kayong income, di ba? So I think that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!